Okay, so for today, we are going to be doing our making words activity, and there's a couple ways that you guys can do this at home. You guys can get magnetic letters if you have them. You guys can write these letters on a piece of paper and then tear the paper into little squares or circles. Or you guys can just take a pencil and paper and write the words I say. You can do it with sidewalk chalk. Okay, there are many options that you can do this. I'm going to use my letter tiles today. So the letters you will need will be an F, T, G, B, L, H, C, S, Y, R, and the vowel I. Okay, now I've placed them on the shelf, okay, which is at the top of my workspace. Okay, so I've lined them all up. Now the first word I want you to build is the word cry. 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 And as you're building, really be thinking about what word, what sound is that long I gonna make? Cry. I says push our letters. Oopsie. Let's push our letters. I, cry. Okay, remember when the Y is on the end of the word, it's gonna make that long I sound. Now I want you to change cry to sly, sly. Good, so we're gonna trade these for let's push our letters. I says sly. Change sly to fly. Good, now am I gonna change the beginning sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound? Change sly to fly. Which sound am I gonna change? That's right, the beginning sound. I'm gonna change the S with the letter S to F with the letter F. Blend it. I, fly. Now I want you to change fly to flight. The flight to Michigan was very bumpy. Flight. Remember, what letters, when combined, make the long I sound when you hear it in the middle of a word? Flight. Good. The three letters that combine to make the long I sound when in the middle are I, G, H. Then what's that ending sound you hear? T, 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 T. Flight. 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 Says flight. Good job. Change flight to say bright. The sun was shining so bright I had to wear sunglasses. Bright. Am I going to change the beginning, middle, or ending sound in flight to say bright? Yes, I'm going to change the beginning sound to say b, r, br, I, t, br, I, t, br, I, t. Says bright. Use the word bright in your own sentence real quick. Tell me what you come up with. Nice sentences, guys. Those are some very creative ones. Last word for today is going to change bright to the word sight. Sight. The sight of my students watching my YouTube videos makes me smile. Sight. Good. Change it to the sound s, 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 like in seahorse. Sight. 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 Says sight. Awesome job, guys, today on making words. I want you guys to comment below one more long I word. Have a good day.